How to fix Facebook not sending SMS code. So if you're facing a problem with Facebook not sending the SMS code, or if Facebook is not sending the verification code, then what you need to do is check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, now if you're still not being able to get the code or the SMS code, then you just need to remove your Facebook application from your background and then open up your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, go for the search which is on the upper side and search for Facebook. Once you've searched here, you may have an update, right? So if you have an update, you just need to go for update and update your Facebook application, because if you have not updated your application, then you might find some kind of problems. So simply go for update and update your application. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then remove that. Once you've removed, you just need to go for your settings, or you can simply tap and hold on to your Facebook application and go for app info. Under app info, you just need to go for storage and cache, go for clear cache, and once you've cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. You can also go for clear storage and clear your storage. And once you've cleared all of your storage, you just need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button, and here you will have restart option. Restart your device and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last and the only thing that you can do is just go for a VPN. You can simply connect to a VPN service, and once you've connected to a VPN, then you can go back to the Facebook and try to log into your account, and you will get the SMS code. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Facebook not sending the SMS code problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.